This is a friendly awareness for us that are already awakened. Be careful. That's the first word that I will say. Because if from beyond physical, and some people, the use is smear campaign, destroying your name, disrespect, removing the trust, your trust from them. The last stage that they can do, because you already win, is complain and put the blame, everything from you. Like in every situations, if you have a fault or you mistakenly do something, every time they are awakened to complain and blame you. But if them, you are very silent, right? You cannot hear anything about complaint and blame from your words to them. But them, they are very broad and very vocalized about it. That's their last stage. To bring down you at their level also. Plus, they will win actually through that paranoia also. You will observe that. Be vigilant through your situations. Through someone you know, or to someone yet that you don't know, I mean. And be careful to yourself also. You may doing it to yourself also, through others or through yourself only. Complaining and blaming others of your situation, even though you're awake, through that paranoia that working beyond also, or yourself. Then you will bring down yourself back. That's a confession on a person like me, like you, that is awakening or awakened. Because reality is reality. Human. That's how human is corrupted. And who will fight for itself until the end? For the humanity. For me, because I've said I've already given up, I accept that what I can only do is complain and blame. Most of the time myself, because sometimes it will come that moment. Every day is a reflection, acceptance, repentance, and healing. But healing is the most hardest part if you came from something more beyond a storm of life. May we come back again to blaming itself. That's why there's still a chances, says the enemy, from beyond or some people. That's why they are doing it. Unconscious or conscious. That's why I've said no one is innocent. Because they allow themselves to be siphoned by the bad entities or bad energy to boost them, or they intentionally do it. No one is innocent. Even myself as being awakened. So, at the end, who will fight? For itself or humanity and others, just human? Right? Or it's our end? I don't know.